exactly have toned arms, the ruffles, they kind of, hide a little bit of flibbity-flib. What do you call that thing that Lisa Rinna wears all the time? I think you call them dusters. You can wear dusters over them. They had that scrunch butt, so your booty is like boop, 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 pop, pop, pop. You don't have to wear a bra. In fact, you don't have to wear any skivvies with it if you don't want to at all. I mean, you can go commando if you need to. And I think that's great. So, to each her own.
0, 1. Let's get started.
Whether we like it or not, spring and summer is here. Warm weather is here. I went into my closet the other day and I was like, oh, what do I have to wear? And the answer was nothing, zero, zilch. I had literally no warm weather clothing. I, like many of you, are probably doing a lot of spring cleaning right now, and I have been donating, I've been purging, I've been organizing, and I purged my way out of having nothing to wear. So I needed some basics. I needed some things that would carry me through the warm weather months, so I did an Amazon haul. So today I have tons of stuff for you. We've got tons of tops, and we have tons of activewear and shoes and even robes and jumpers and rompers and dresses. Oh my. So let's try on these amazing clothes. I have just scooched over because I'm going to try to do a little picture-in-picture or show you me modeling these clothes kind of like old school Barker's Beauties from The Price is Right. So don't make fun of me. I know I look crazy, but don't make fun of me. It's the best that I can do. Okay, so the first item I have is this super duper cute, I'm gonna say super duper and cute a lot, so just warning, shirt. This is so adorable. I was thinking not just 4th of July, but just in general, it's very nautical, it's very sailor. You know, the whole fisherman look is in for spring, summer 2025. So I love the ruffle details. I love the red accent here, and it fits like a glove. For your reference, everything I got, except for this red robe that I am wearing, which is a size medium, but everything I got is in a size small. So that's one good thing I like about Amazon. Small, medium, large, extra large, 1X, 2X, 3X, you know, they have kind of basic, very forgiving sizes. Okay, so this is my first top, which I love. What I also love about it is I feel like the ruffles, if you don't exactly have toned arms, the ruffles, they kind of, hide a little bit of flibbity-flib. So that's a good thing. All right, the second shirt I have, I love this color. This is a very fuchsia hot pink tank top, and it has a built-in bra. I'll tell you a little secret. I rarely wear a bra because why? You know what I mean? If you're supported, the girls are perky, you're comfortable, I'm thinking braless is the way to go. So this has a built-in bra, which I love, which no wires or anything, but just a little padding. I should say built-in padding, just so there's a little bit of coverage since it's kind of a thinner shirt. Love the racer back. And I love the fact that it's a little bit longer so that it can come down, or you can zhuzh it up if you want it to be more cropped or at the waistline, but I like them a little longer. Okay, this shirt is so gorgeous. This is on the shoulder, off the shoulder. So I don't know what you call this, but you'll see it. So I have one short sleeve and then the other sleeve is kind of off the shoulder. It's very sexy. You can dress this up, dress this down. I love this eggplant color. And yeah, this is very versatile because I feel like this can be, a night out to dinner or just put it on with some, shorts and call it a day. But this is so pretty and I don't have anything in this color. So the next shirt is kind of in that same different kind of oblong asymmetrical family. This is just, it's long sleeve but thin, so I figured spring and for cooler nights in the spring, and it can also go into summer, but it's this pretty olive army green color. And it took me a while. I had to look at the model on Amazon because I was like, how on earth do you wear this crazy shirt? So one shoulder is covered and the other one is not. It is so pretty. And again, this can be dressed down or dressed up, and I absolutely love it. I'm taking risks, people. Now we're gonna move on to more one-piece romper kind of jumpery type of stuff. So Oh, but before we do, I just want to let you know that these are awesome. These are the leggings that I'm wearing that I wore with all of the shirts that I just tried on for you. And then I'm also going to be wearing it with this next little dress romper type thing. These are, I think they're from Hanes. These are amazing. I buy them in a 3-pack. Let me tell you a short story. I was in like Walgreens or Rite Aid one day and I needed some leggings and these came in a 2-pack at the drugstore. They are so good. They cinch you in, they're flattering, they don't fade, and I don't know, I've had these for so long. I have like 7 pairs of them because these two can be clothing, loungewear, workout wear. I love these. These are a definite must. Okay, this one's the Cutie Patootie Award for cutest little dress ever. Look at this. It has these cute little ties at the shoulder, and then I love stripes. Stripes are amazing. Stripes are, I don't know, they scream beach to me. They scream sailing and being on a yacht or a boat. But I love this romper. Now, I usually wear this both ways. I either wear it over jeans or over leggings like the black leggings I just showed you, but I also wear it with nothing at all because it's so light and breezy. It just depends on what the temperature is outside. It has pockets, a drawstring, this winter chicken dinner. Now, I didn't get these 4 next items. I didn't come this week in this big Amazon haul, but I got it relatively recently and it's still on Amazon. I loved it so much, I got it in a foursome. So this is, I don't know what you call it, but it is a 1-piece strapless, stretchy, I call it my MC Hammer romper, but I'm pretty sure other people in fashion call it like harem pants, or they call it a romper or a jumper. But basically this is a one size fits all, people, one size fits all outfit. And this is kind of like my summer spring uniform. You can dress this up, dress it down, wear it with heels or sandals. You can throw on a scarf. You can throw on a, what do you call those things? Those things that, what do you call that thing that Lisa Rinna wears? Lisa? What do you call that thing that Lisa Rinna wears all the time? I think you call them dusters. You can wear dusters over them or little, wraps or shawls, but this is the kind of thing you can wear to the beach, or you can wear it for a night out on the town. You can wear it with sneakers. I mean, this is so versatile, so versatile. I got it in this beautiful army green color. And then I also got it in navy blue. And what I love about these is that you can wear these as pants or as a romper. So I just pull them down and put a tank top on or a wrap around and you're good to go. I mean, this is multiple outfits in one. Oh my gosh, I just had a thought. This would be fantastic for travel because you can just roll them up in a ball and be good to go. And they can be multiple outfits. Got it in this gorgeous turquoisey teal color. And truth be told, there's this model, if I can find it, I'll throw the picture on screen, but the model who is actually in the Amazon photo for this romper, she's got this big curly afro. She was wearing, I think, this color, and I was like, I love that, I have to have it. And now, I don't know, kind of an addiction. All right, and the last color I got it in is this gray color. So I pretty much covered all the bases. And do I think I have enough? No, I do not. I think it also comes in a vibrant red, and red's my favorite color. So I'm probably going to also pick this up in red. It's easy, you just throw it on. And again, you don't have to wear a bra. In fact, you don't have to wear any skivvies with it if you don't want to at all. I mean, you can go commando if you need to. And I think that's great. So to each her own. Now we're going to move into workout wear. Now, working out is, I don't really work out, but I try to walk, and I'm a walker, but I also have been doing resistance and weight training as well. I'm a baby in that field, but I also realized I didn't really have any clothing that made me feel good or look good. So I got a couple of things. The first thing is this workout crop top. So cute. It looks like it's a basic crop top, right? Wait till you see the back. Look at this baby. I love this. I think it's so pretty. There's a full cutout of your back, so it's kind of sexy and cute. girl, I totally work out by myself and nobody sees me, but I feel good in this and I love it. So yeah, it comes in like every color in the rainbow. So I might actually pick this up in a couple of other colors because it's just so easy and it's cute and it wicks the sweat away and it's just performance wear. And I like it. It's a new thing for me, people, new thing. Okay, I also, these are booty popping leggings. And let me tell you, they make your booty pop. They totally do. They're a little scandalous, if I'm gonna be honest. So these are leggings, but if you look in the back, they have that scrunch butt, so your booty is like boop, 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 pop, 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 and your booty does pop. Your booty looks so much bigger. Like I turned around and I was just like, when I was wearing those black leggings that are from Hanes or just your everyday leggings, my booty looks kind of normal. With these on, I could easily, I don't know, be a video vixen in a hip hop video. I'm delusional and I know it, but these definitely do something to your butt. It's a miracle and it's amazing. I just thought they'd be fun. But what I also love about these is that they go down into a V. So it's weird that instead of having the V in the front to kind of show off your stomach, it shows off your backside. So yes, these are another risk for me and I'm glad I took it. And I have another top that I got for working out. And this I think is so incredibly adorable. It has this cross like knot thing in the front, crisscrossy thing. It's also, long sleeved and a crop top, but I like this little detail in the front. It's a little deep, but again, I work out in my basement at home. Nobody sees me. So I was like, if I feel like being sexy, that's okay. And this is definitely a little sexy workout top. Comes in tons of colors and I might get some more of these as well. But all of these things are very, very comfortable. They're very practical and I'm totally psyched I got it. Now, I needed robes. I live in a pajama and robe household for sure. And always have since I was little. And I was just like, you know what? My robes, none of them fit well. I don't have any lightweight ones. I had really, really heavy ones and I needed some for spring and summer. So I got this shorter robe. This goes like right to the knee, above the knee. I love it in the navy and the heather gray. I love that it has heather gray on the sleeves and a heather gray belt and heather gray, whatever this thing is around here, piping. But this is super lightweight. So, you know, like when you're doing your hair, blow drying your hair, flat ironing it, whatever, giving yourself a silk press, you're not sweating to death. So I wanted something that was super lightweight. And I liked it so much, I got the long sleeved and longer version of this. Now, everything I got was a size small except for this. I did get this red robe in a medium because I figured this can also cross over into the colder months. And in the colder months, my pajamas are gigantic. I literally wear super thick onesies and Christmas pajamas and things that are just substantial. So I thought if I sized up to a medium, then I would have plenty of room underneath for other things. So yeah, those are all the clothing things that I got, but I have one last thing to show you. Da, 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 da. I think these are amazing. These are red Mary Jane mules. And I had a pair of Sam and Libby red Mary Jane mules that I thrifted. I love thrifting. And they were probably older than Methuselah when I bought them. And then I had them for maybe 6 years. And so the sole started coming up on them. So I was like, okay, I need a new pair. So I got these. This is from the brand Naturalizer. And they are known for being comfortable. And I was like, yeah, I like comfort. I want comfort. So they're super low profile. These two I think can be dressy or casual, but I love these. I will say I got these in a 7.5, which is my size. I'm like a 7.5 or an 8 depending. And yeah, the 7.5, they do fit perfectly. I might size up to an 8 just so I can have just a little bit more coverage in the back, but I would say they're true to size. And if you're in between sizes, like in between half sizes, go up one size. Oh my gosh, I am sweating. Are you? That was a lot of trying on, but I'm super psyched with everything that I got. Now, this isn't the end of my kind of revamping my wardrobe story. This is just the beginning, people. Why? Because next week, guess what? I have an appointment to go to a color analysis. Yes. You know all those videos where people go to South Korea and you get to know what season and what colors, and if you're warm tones or cold tones, if you're muted tones or bright tones. I'm doing that on Tuesday. I will totally take you along with me. But after that, I want to do a total wardrobe clean out where if things don't fit me, if things don't look good, if they're old, but also if they're the wrong color, I don't want them in there. Also, I took notes, so I'm looking at my notes right now. So in addition to a wardrobe clean out, I'm going to do a total closet makeover. I recently got where is that place? The Container Store kind of closet system that I installed. And of course, I'll have more high protein recipes and what I eat in the days coming up. But surprise, surprise, I literally don't leave my house. I have a few travel vlogs. 2025 is the year. My friends and family are like, Susan, get out. You got to get out. You have to get out into the universe, look at the sun, touch some grass occasionally, okay? So I'm gonna go out and touch grass. I'm gonna touch grass in lots of different places, so I'm gonna take you along with me. But that's it. So, my name is Simply Susan. If you haven't already subscribed, I would love for you to join the family. I would also love for you to comment down below and tell me what kind of videos do you want to see from me? Because basically, I make videos about eating better, looking better, feeling better, and doing better. So, remember, I love you. Have a wonderful week, and I'll see you next Sunday at noon. Bye for now.
0, 1. Let's get started.